Hey everyone, welcome back to the Google Keith podcast, your go-to source for practical tech tips and easy to follow how-to guides. Whether you're tuning in from your laptop, tablet, or smartphone, I'm glad you're here. Today's episode is all about something exciting and maybe a little intimidating: setting up a brand new laptop from scratch. Fun. Whether you're upgrading from an older device or starting fresh, this episode will walk you through everything you need to know to get your laptop ready, secure, and personalized. So grab a cup of coffee or just sit back and listen. Let's get started. There's something satisfying about unboxing a new device. But before you get carried away, here are a few quick steps to make sure everything's in order. I had to stop there for a minute. The plane flew over. For those that don't know, I'm in Norfolk, Virginia, so right near the airport. Anyway, back to your new laptop. First, check the box. Make sure your charger, manuals, and any accessories are included. Then inspect the laptop for any visible damage. If everything looks good, plug it in and let it charge fully before turning it on. Once you power it up, you'll be guided through some basic setup steps: choosing your language, region, and connecting to Wi-Fi. These are the building blocks of a smooth setup. Next up is accounts. This is where your laptop starts to feel like yours. If you're on Windows, you'll be prompted to sign in with a Microsoft account. That gives you access to OneDrive, the Microsoft Store, and syncing across devices. Mac users, you'll use your Apple ID, connect to iCloud, and download apps. And if you're on a Chromebook, your Google account is your key to everything: Drive, Chrome settings, and more. No account? No problem. You can create one during setup for each of them. This step also helps with password recovery and device tracking later on. Here's one of the most important tech tips I can give you. Install your system updates right away. Updates aren't just about new features. They patch security holes and improve performance. On Windows, head to Settings and Windows Update. On macOS, go to System Settings, General, and Software Update. And on ChromeOS, updates usually install automatically, but you can check manually just to be sure. Once updates are installed, restart your laptop. It's a small step that makes a big difference. Now that your system is up to date, let's talk about the tools you'll use every day. Start with a browser: Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Pick the one that fits your style. Or install them all like I do. Actually, I live in Edge, Chrome, Firefox, Opera, and Vivaldi every day. Then install an Office suite. Google Workspace is great for cloud-based work. Microsoft 365 is the most popular, and LibreOffice is a solid free option. Need to stay connected? Download Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Slack, depending on your needs. And don't forget security. Windows Defender is built into Windows, but you might also consider Malwarebytes or Bitdefender for added protection. Now for the fun part: customizing your laptop. Adjust your display settings, choose a wallpaper that makes you smile, and tweak your touchpad and keyboard preferences. If you need accessibility features like screen readers or voice control, now's the time to set those up. The display settings spot is where you would adjust for multiple monitors on your desk. These small changes make your laptop feel more comfortable and efficient to use. If you're switching from an old device, you'll want to bring your files with you. Cloud storage is the easiest way. Google Drive, OneDrive, or iCloud can sync your files across devices. You can also use a USB drive or external drive for manual transfers. Windows users can try PC Mover or Windows Easy Transfer. Mac users, use Migration Assistant. These tools help move not just files, but apps and settings too. Personally, I always use OneDrive or iCloud for this. Always. It's a trust issue with third-party apps for me. Here's another essential tech tip. Set up backups. Windows has file history and OneDrive backup. macOS users can use Time Machine with an external drive. And for cloud-based peace of mind, services like Backblaze or iDrive are great options. Schedule regular backups and test them occasionally. It's one of those things you'll be glad you did, especially when something goes wrong. Want your laptop to stay fast and efficient? Here's how. Disable unnecessary startup apps. Use battery saver modes when unplugged. Clean up storage by deleting temporary files. And keep your desktop and folders organized. These how-to guides and tech tips are simple but powerful ways to keep your laptop running smoothly. Before you wrap up setup, test your webcam, speakers, and microphone. Bookmark helpful sites like googlekeith.com for ongoing support. And here's a pro move. Create a system restore point or a full backup. It's a safety net you'll appreciate later. And that's it. Your new laptop is ready to go. Whether you're working, studying, or just browsing, you've got a secure, personalized device that's built to perform. If you found this episode helpful, check out more how-to guides and tech tips at Google Keith. We've got everything you need to stay confident and capable in today's digital world. Thanks for listening, and until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep making tech work for you.